Hi guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some pineapple juice with ginger. So that's the amount of ginger that I'm gonna use. Okay, so I'm also gonna add 2 lime and 1 lemon. Okay. So now I'm just gonna peel my pineapple. I already washed it so it's clean. So this is how I'm gonna peel it, guys. First I'm just gonna cut off the edge of it like so. So I'm just taking my knife and just cut it downwards. And guys, you don't have to throw away the pineapple skin. You can boil it for at least 30 minutes, okay? And add some ginger to it. And when you finish, you just leave it to cool and strain it. And you can add some sugar to it, okay? And put it in your fridge or get some ice. Yeah, that's the traditional way of doing it also. I'm just removing the pineapple skin because I'm gonna boil it. But I'm not gonna show you guys all that recipe on camera. Maybe one of these days I show you how I do it. Okay? I just want to show you how I do the pineapple juice. So now I'm just gonna cut up my pineapple in small size. You can cut it in whatever size you preferred, okay? I'm just adding my pineapple to my blender. So now I'm just gonna cut my ginger. Make sure you cut your ginger, guys, in small pieces, okay? And I'm not gonna remove the skin off it. You can just blend it all up like that. All that ginger is gonna take your pineapple to a different level. I'm telling you, the ginger is gonna make it taste so good. So I've got my blender right there. So I'm just gonna pour some water in my blender. But guys, please do not overfill it, okay? So that's how my pineapple looks like after I finish blend it. Make sure it is all smooth, okay? Because you want your ginger to blend properly. You want it to all blend out. So I've got my strainer right there with my bowl. So now I'm just gonna strain my pineapple juice. So I'm just taking my spoon to mix it so it comes through nicely. Yes. So after I finish blend my pineapple juice, now I'm just gonna take the remaining blended pineapple and I'm just gonna add it back to my blender, okay? I'm not gonna throw it away as yet because I'm gonna add some more water to it, okay? Because honestly, there is so much juice still on the inside of that blended pineapple. So it's not gonna waste. So guys, I'm adding at least 1 cup of water to my blender. And what I'm doing, as you can see, I'm just taking my spoon and just mix it, okay? Make sure you give it a good stir. So after I stir it, now I'm just straining it. Yeah, just continue with the same process. So I'm pressing hard on it because I want all that juice to come right through. So I'm just gonna strain it another time because you want your pineapple juice to be all smooth. So guys, you can strain it at least 2 to 3 times, okay? Do you see how yellow and nice that pineapple juice look? That's exactly how you want yours. Perfect. You see all that bits that leave back in your strainer? That's why it's good to strain your pineapple juice at least 3 or 4 times. So now I'm gonna cut my lime and my lemon because I'm gonna strain all that lemon and lime juice. Yes. So now I'm just squeezing all that lemon juice in my strainer because you don't want all that bits to get in your juice. Yes? And you just want to carry on with the same process with your lime. If you have your lime squeezer, you can always use it and squeeze out all that lime and lemon juice. But honestly guys, I rather do it the traditional way. This is how I grew up doing it. So I don't mind doing it, to be honest with you. Yeah, I rather use my hand to squeeze it instead of using the lime squeezer. Yeah. So after I finish, I'm just gonna stir it so everything will all combine. So now I'm gonna sweeten my pineapple juice. And guys, I'm adding some white granulated sugar. You can always use some brown sugar or even some honey, or you can drink it as it is. It will be more healthier, to be honest. But I want some sugar in mine, so I'm gonna add sugar. And guys, I'm not gonna tell you how much sugar you should put in it. Just put the amount that you like, okay? Add to your tasting. Yes. So this is how I boil my pineapple skin with my ginger, and I boil it for at least 30 minutes and just allow it to cool, strain it off, and you can sweeten it. And what you can do also guys, you can add it back to your pineapple juice. Yes, you can do it that way. So I got my lime and my lemon slices right there. So I'm just gonna add it to my glass jug. Then I'm just gonna add some ice to it. Guys, please share this video to all of your families, your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it. I work so hard just to get this video out for you guys. So please support my YouTube channel. And if you have been supporting my YouTube channel, I thank you all so much from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. I'm just pouring all that delicious pineapple juice to my jug. I'm gonna add some of my pineapple juice to my glass, of course. Guys, please, if you try this recipe, comment below and tell me what it's like, okay? I could go without tasting my pineapple and ginger juice for you guys, and I'm telling you, it was absolutely refreshing. You could taste the ginger, the lime. Honestly guys, this recipe is so good. I thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye. Don't forget to keep laughing, keep smiling no matter what, cause God is always on your side.